Max Boy here, and coming at you with the bike check. Yeah. Let's get started. Alright, so we'll start with the frame. This is the Sunday Tim Dugan frame. DK front forks and bars and grips. I got a vise, brake lever, and cable. The rims, it's a Vice 20-inch with a Odyssey anti-gram front hub and rear hub. We got a Vice back rim too, 20-inch black. We got some cheap old bell pedals, and then we got a bell chain, gold. It's kind of old, so you can't really see it. We got a Hutchins rear and front tire, Memphis, some AutoZone brake caps, or brake caps, tire caps. We got a volume pivotal seat with a demolition seat post. You can see the chrome. And that's about it. Everything else is pretty stock. So please like, comment, and subscribe to this video. It'll be helpful. Yeah. Thanks for the shout out, Atlas Gaming. And that's my buddy. He actually edited my first video, and yeah, he's gonna be a lot of help to this channel. Alright, thank you, and please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you later.